Brats, I love my Philips Hue home lights, but one solution that they never made a really elegant way to make it work was how you could have your LED strips on your TV and have them broadcast the colors out from the TV. You can buy like an expensive $250 box that does it, but that still means you have to run HDMI to HDMI to do it. Govee is trying to change that. Let's find out if it works. So what this kit is gonna do, you're gonna put this on the back of your TV. It's gonna be LED strips that can then light up individual LED lights to try and match what's on the TV. And the way it works, instead of having to be plugged into an HDMI, plugged into some device, it actually has a little camera that sits on top of the TV, monitors in real time what colors are coming up on the TV, and then broadcasts those out. Let's open this up. I'm very curious about this. I'm curious if that's gonna add any noticeable latency or anything, but this is a much better idea because the Hue kit that I had, the only way you could use it is if your Blu-ray player or your PS4 or something was connected to the TV. If you were using just YouTube on your TV, you could not just run YouTube because there was no HDMI connecting anywhere to actually sync it. So this gets around that problem with smart TVs. It only comes with one LED strip. This is technically a 55 to 65 inch kit. We will be installing this on a 75 inch TV, so that may have some effect on how it looks, but we're gonna do our best to make it work. You got your books and crap. Oh, this actually all comes in little boxes. Oh, wow. It's actually the most professional little LED control box I think I've ever seen for an LED kit. This LED kit does go for $60 on Amazon, so this is not your cheap LED strip kit. Mostly probably for the price of the hardware that runs the kit. Some clips, some more clips. Nothing? What in the world? Sticky pads. Thick sticky pads. I have no idea why. Might have to look at the manual for that one. And then this is the camera unit. So this is the one thing about this kit that's probably not gonna be amazing for everyone, is you are gonna have this weird camera on top of your TV. It might be a little bit of an eyesore. It's gonna hook up there, and then this camera's gonna face down at the TV to then figure out what colors are displaying on the screen and how to do this. So let's take this over to the TV, get this installed, and see what we think. So we've got the strips installed, all up right now. They are meant for a 65 or 55-inch TV. This is a 75, so you're getting a little bit less of the distance out towards the sides, but it's still working really well. The camera setup was super easy. The interesting thing about it, because it's a camera based, if you were to get something was to get in the way, or even your lights in your room come on when your TV isn't on, it can affect it because it's looking at what it sees here. It's not super instant, super fast. It is a tiny bit behind, as you saw in some of the shots earlier, but it's a great effect. It adds a lot to it, I'd say, casting out like this. And if you actually had your TV against like a flat wall, it would look a lot better even than mine does. But there's just not an easy way in this house to set it up like that. So I'm really impressed with the kit. It's not cheap, but it is really cool. If you're looking to add a cool effect, make your home theater even more awesome, I would highly recommend getting a kit like this. And also something that I didn't know, because you didn't see it anywhere except in the manual, you can actually put the camera on the bottom if you want to. So it might be a little less noticeable looking there. I went ahead and just put it at the top because I was already doing that, but you could put it down here and it might look a little cleaner too. So let me know your thoughts if you've ever played with anything like this. If you're looking to get one, I would say do it. I'll leave a link in the description for you. So I want to say thank you so much for spending some of your time with us today, and I will see you in another reality.